Today, we've got an important topic to discuss. Installing an AC compressor in your vehicle. Now, I want to emphasize right from the start that this is a complex job that requires technical knowledge and the right tools. However, if you have experience and confidence in your abilities, we're here to provide you with a general guide on how to install an AC compressor. Here's a list of the tools you are going to need. Now that we've got our tools and materials ready, let's go through the general installation steps. Keep in mind that specific steps may vary depending on your vehicle's make and model. Step 1. Safety precautions. Safety first, always. Ensure the vehicle is parked on a level surface, the engine is off, and the parking brake is engaged. And don't forget to disconnect the negative terminal of the vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical mishaps during the installation. The second thing you have to do is remove the refrigerant. Use a refrigerant recovery machine to safely remove and store the refrigerant from the old AC compressor. Make sure to follow all safety guidelines and regulations regarding refrigerant handling. Step 3. Remove the old AC compressor. Locate the old AC compressor, usually found near the engine. Use your wrenches and sockets to remove the bolts securing the compressor and associated components. Keep track of those bolts and components for reassembly. Now, drain and measure oil. Drain the oil from the old compressor and measure it. This will help you determine how much PG oil to add to the new compressor. And remember, dispose of the old oil properly. Next, install the new AC compressor. Attach the new compressor, ensuring it's properly aligned and securely fastened with the correct torque specifications. Replace any O-rings and gaskets as necessary. Step 6. Add PG oil. Pour the measured amount of PG oil into the new compressor. Reassemble components is next. Reattach any components, hoses, and brackets that were removed during the process. Now you have to recharge the system. Use the AC manifold gauge set to recharge the AC system with the recovered refrigerant. Ensure the system is pressurized to the correct specifications. Step 9. Check for leaks. After recharging, check for any refrigerant leaks using a leak detection kit or UV dye. Last, test the AC. Start the vehicle and test the AC system to ensure it's blowing cold air. If you're ready to upgrade your vehicle or make essential repairs, head over to Parts Hawk now. They offer a wide range of high-quality automotive parts, so don't wait, give your vehicle the care it deserves. Click the link in the description to shop now.